Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to join HelloFresh affiliate program. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open your preferred web browser and go to hellofresh.com, which I have in here. Scroll down to the bottom of the website. Just go ahead and scroll down to the bottom where you have the footer. You're definitely going to find it here. So here is the footer. You have a couple of categories. You have HelloFresh, you have our company, you have Work With Us, you have Contact Us, you have Payment Methods, you have Download Our App. So head over to the Work With Us category. You have three options there. You have Partner, you have Influencers, and you have Affiliate. So click on the Affiliate link. Now this will direct you to the HelloFresh Affiliate Program page. In here, you can submit your inquiry. Now, on the affiliate program page, you'll find information about partnering with HelloFresh. Now, go ahead and click on Submit Your Inquiry button to begin the application process. A form will appear requesting details about you and your promotional platforms. Go ahead and provide accurate information about your website, blog, or social media channels where you plan to promote HelloFresh once completed. Now enter your company name, your job title, your first name, your last name in the respective communication boxes. Your email address, your phone number, your interest. Just go ahead and fill out the form, add attachments if necessary. This is optional. Provide a rough estimation of the audience size, desired timing for launching the partnership, number of expected attendees, and of course, once you're done, go ahead and review your submission to ensure that everything is okay. After submission, your application will be reviewed by the HelloFresh team. Don't forget to click the green submit button to submit the form. Now, the process for review may take a few days, so go ahead and keep an eye on your email for notification regarding your application status. Upon approval, you receive access to the HelloFresh affiliate dashboard. Here, you can find your unique affiliate links, promotional materials, and track your performance metrics. With your affiliate links and resources in hand, begin promoting HelloFresh on your chosen platforms. Share unique links to your blog post, social media, or email newsletters to start earning commissions. As a HelloFresh affiliate, you can earn a fixed commission for each new customer you refer. The program offers a 14-day cookie duration, meaning you receive credit for purchases made within 2 weeks of the initial referral. Payouts are typically processed monthly. And that's it. You've successfully joined the HelloFresh affiliate program using the web app. So start enjoying or start sharing the joy of cooking and earn rewards along the way. Go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.